All maple trees have opposite leaves like this, I think. Look at the way they're coming out of there. I can't really zoom in anymore, but see that junction right there where the leaves are coming out of. Come out opposite each other like this. This is actually a really big tree. Huge, actually. Could back up and show you, but one last thing about the sugar maple. If you look closely at its leaves, I can grab one in the wind here. They look kind of like the Norway maple's leaves, right? They're a little more rounded off though. Look at the edges and points. It's a little less just spiky. Norway maple's kind of spiky looking. I'm actually going to take this leaf and bring it with me when I do the Norway maple, so that we can compare. This time it's a Norway maple, not sugar maple. See what I mean by the leaves are kind of spikier? I brought the sugar maple here with me. Hold on just a sec. This is the sugar maple leaf. It's a little less spiky. Look, I'm going to pull a leaf from here so I can compare. Put them down in the grass, just wait a sec. In this situation, the sugar maple's on the left. It's a little less kind of spiky and ridgy. And then on the right we have the Norway maple. While we're on the topic of maple trees, I thought I'd bring up one more. This is a red maple. You see how the leaves kind of only have three like parts sticking out of them? They kind of have 5 if you count those little ones at the bottom, but really they have 3, which looks kind of different. I'm lucky enough to have found most of a leaf on the ground because I can't reach any of the leaves that are on the tree, and all the leaves are too high. But it looks like this. These gaps between the parts are much deeper than the other kinds, and it's kind of very pointy. It gets narrow at the edges. Here I am at another place now, pointing out one last kind of maple that doesn't have the word maple in its name. Boxelder. This looks like this. Has leaves like this. Compound, actually. It's got some leaves of some other kind of maple tree like next to it, like this over here. But I think that's just another tree getting tangled up with it. That's not part of this tree. Actually, I think in Canada they call it Manitoba maple, so in that case it does have the word maple in it, but whatever you call it, it's still a maple tree. Just kind of a different one for having compound leaves and all.